I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the GPS on your Fitbit Charge 6. And to be clear, you can't disable the GPS feature globally, and you can only turn it off for specific exercises that use that feature. Step 1. Navigate to your Fitbit Charge 6 home screen and then swipe slowly from right to left until you land on exercise. Step 2. Repeatedly swipe from the bottom to the top of this screen until you see the More button and then tap to select More. Step 3. Swipe through this list until you find the workout you want to disable GPS for and then tap to choose that exercise. Step 4. Navigate down to the settings part of this menu, find GPS, and then tap to toggle GPS off. GPS will no longer be used with this specific exercise. Repeat this process for any other exercises you want to turn off GPS for. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.